Hello everyone. Today's lecture is all about understanding SEO, or what is otherwise known as search engine optimization. Oftentimes, when you do research on the internet and try to understand what SEO is all about, you're going to get a short answer that usually states that SEO is about the content on your website and the people that link to it. Although on the most basic level this is true, there's a lot more that goes into SEO now that search engines are becoming more sophisticated. Today, we're not going to just talk about the content and the links of SEO, but we're actually going to take a minute to talk about the numerous variables that go into SEO and all of the different things that are considered when search engines like Google, Yahoo, or Bing are indexing your website. So what is the purpose of SEO? It's important to understand that. The purpose of SEO is to make it so that your website is seen in the organic or natural search results in search engines. The reason why this is such a big focus for people that have websites is that it will result in free traffic coming to the website over and over again without spending any money. Now, before diving into this lesson, I want to take a second to thank SearchEngineLand.com because it's their content that I reviewed to really be able to break all this information down as detailed as possible. With that being said, let's go ahead and get started. I think that the first thing to understand about SEO is that there are two main categories that are really going to impact your search engine optimization efforts. The first category is going to be the elements that you have control of, which we will be calling the internal elements. In other words, they're internal to your website. The second category is going to be elements that you don't always have control over, but you can definitely influence if you know how to do it. So the second category we're going to call external elements, which means that they're external to your website.